Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now we have to scroll in order to find the biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down to find other security settings. Let's tap on it and as you can see right here we've got a whole credential storage section and almost at the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials. So let's tap. Now let's confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. We cannot again tap on this option. What's more, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then probably your device will ask you to enter it. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.